परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Nityanandam, we offer our humble obeisance, our humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Guru, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam. We welcome all the viewers across the world for this Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva. From Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalayam, Adi Kailash Sarvajna Peetham. In the hours before, we are graced with the darshan of His Divine Holiness, of Paramashiva himself. This is the most opportune time for us to prepare ourselves, our body, and our mind towards. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time to Kailasha's Nityananda TV, welcome to the official TV channel for Sri Kailasha. the only and greatest Hindu nation in the world. Nityananda Paramashivam, His Divine Holiness, is the reviver of Kailasha, the ancient enlightened civilization and cosmic borderless Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness has made the science of power manifestation and the yoga and temple-based universities for humanity. The sovereign order of Kailasha, led by His Divine Holiness, and Nityananda order of monks, nuns, and Hindu diaspora are working for global peace and towards the super consciousness breakthrough. Nityananda Hindu University is the world's largest university, spreading over 150 countries, is collecting, organizing, preserving, time capsuling, decoding, and spreading, and reviving 20 million source books of Hinduism and 64 sacred arts and sciences like Ayurveda, music, dance, sculpting, and astrology and Vastu. His Divine Holiness is the 293rd Guru Mahasannidhanam of Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Pitam, the ancient apex body of Hinduism. His Divine Holiness is the current emperor of the Surya Vamsha Surangi Samrajyam. His Divine Holiness has survived the worst persecution of many assassination attempts on person and character by anti-Hindu elements. To explore the videos, you can visit Kailasha's Nityananda YouTube channel. As we are getting prepared, as we are getting introduced for Uttamottama Seva, introduction and offering of Uttamottama Seva, pre-satsang leading to satsang by His Divine Holiness Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, let us do what are all we can to spread this message of Sri Kailasha. Requesting all the viewers to share this message to all on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all other social media platforms. Today, we are offering the Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva. We are celebrating the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Brahmotsavam, day 7th of the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Brahmotsavam on the eve of Kartika Deepam. Various homas, abhishekams, other sevas are offered at the Nityananda Paramashiva Devalayam. And along with it, we are also offering the Uttamottama Seva. Uttamottama Seva is a Vedic ritual from the source of Agamas. Uttamottama means the best of the best. Whatever, it's a ritual of best of the best to Paramashiva. Whatever we offer to Paramashiva comes back to us million folds and many million folds. Paramashiva is the source of everything, be it knowledge, skill, people, anything. And offering the best of the best is a way we can offer our gratitude to Paramashiva and being integrated to him and his words. Agamas is the only thing that we can actually offer to him. And Uttamottama Seva is an intricate ritual that is described by Paramashiva himself. So many offerings are there that came down from the best of the best that is offered in Vedic tradition. From the instruments to the offering of food that should be offered to Paramashiva, the various types of dance and the way it is danced. The Uttamottama Seva is described by Paramashiva as the best of the best. We offer Abhishekam Vastram, Gandham, Aratrikam, Archanam, Dupam, Deepam, Naivedyam, Aratrikam, Deepopacharam, Pushpanjalim, Chaturvedam, Gurhya Suktam, Agamastotram, Dravida Vedam, Nutyam, Sangeetam, Vadyam, and Swasti Vachanam. The source of all these best things is Paramashiva. And he has given these to us. And offering them back at his feet is what we do during this Uttamottama Seva. Thereby, we experience the intense Shaktini Pata and Advaita, the oneness with him. And as a result, we manifest the state and radiate the space and manifest the Shaktis of Paramashiva. And also, since it is Agama Vidhi, Paramashiva's instructions, we offer them during this Seva. The best of the food that should be offered as Naivedyam, the best of the movement a body can make offered as dance, the Nitya Seva, the best of the sound offered as music, Sangeeta Seva, and the best of the consciousness offered as power manifestation, Shakti Avishkarana. The best that humanity can offer to Paramashiva as gratitude is offered in Uttamottama Seva. As we are celebrating the day 7 of Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Brahmosam, let us understand on the eve of Kartika Deepam. Kartika Deepam is the beginning of the universe in the time dimension. His Divine Holiness revealing the importance of Kartika Deepam as it is on this very day, Paramashiva became many and made himself available to many. Kartika Deepam is the ultimate significance day. In a way, if you see with the recorded evidences available, the oldest festival around 8,000 years ago, recorded evidences are available for the Kartika Deepam festival. It is the ultimate Ussava, the festival. There are 3 major things that have happened on this auspicious day. The first, the timeless Paramashiva decided to become many to celebrate himself on this very day. So the time started from the timelessness, from Kartika Deepam. And that is the time the Big Bang happened. Second, when he manifested as Brahma, Vishnu, and Andavas, the Brahma and Vishnu had a little difficulty about who is greater. And he appeared as a light shaft and gave them enlightenment on this very day. And third, Devi Parashakti, Parvati, wanted to become part of Paramashiva, the oneness space, during doing intense tapas for it. Paramashiva granted Parashakti the ultimate space of oneness forever on this very Kartika Deepam day. So all these great things happened on this very day. It is on this very day Paramashiva manifested and created 56 great nations and more than 170 smaller provinces, revealing the Vedas and Agamas to the world, making the whole Brahmanda endowed with life and creating Brahma and Vishnu, manifesting the universe. It is on this very day, Paramashiva became many and made himself available to many. His Divine Holiness shares about Paramashiva and how we can experience the oneness with Paramashiva. One of the powerful cognition given by His Divine Holiness, Nityananda Paramashivam, is integrate your 25 identities to face yourself from suffering. His Divine Holiness reveals the context of bhakti and guides us to be as Paramashiva, crossing the last delusion of self-doubt, self-hatred, and self-denial patterns. The identity you carry in the waking state, identity you carry in deep sleep state, the identity you carry in the dream state, and the identity you carry in Turiya state, and identity you experience in Turiyatita state. These 5 states, in all these 25 states of consciousness, each identity is independent the moment you realize the undercurrent of all these 25 identities, your pure consciousness, which is the source of you and which is Paramashivoham. All the 25 heads, 25 identities get integrated. That is why Paramashiva is always described with 25 heads. Means who has realized his 25 identities is in oneness with his source consciousness. Pure Paramashiva, the ultimate. As long as your identity is playing separate games without getting integrated to the source, you continue to remain in suffering. Paramashivoham is a 15-day program. Every Paurnami day and every Amavasya day, it starts a new program. Currently, season 16 is happening. In 3 days, the season 16 is coming to the conclusion and season 17 is going to start. Paramashivoham is a very intense 15-day program to teach you to the science of manifesting the ultimate consciousness in you. This science begins with the discovering the Paramashiva in you. The science is discovering the Paramashiva in you and experience the oneness with him. And then getting established in this true identity by manifesting powers of Paramashiva. It is not just a meditation program. It is just pushing humanity to next level of consciousness, to the consciousness of Paramashiva, the ultimate super consciousness as per Hinduism. The avatar, the supreme pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, who has realized the state of super consciousness in transmitting his experience of Paramashivoham via initiation. This program will change who you know as yourself, your very being, to make you radiate super consciousness. Paramashivoham meaning, the true meaning is I am Paramashiva. This is the truth. Paramashiva is the ultimate consciousness, the source of all creation, the Karana, Karya and Mula, cause, effect, and the source of all that we perceive in all that is in unmanifest in our life. I would encourage all the viewers to register for this program, which is going to start on Paurnami Day, 30th. You can register yourself by paramashivoham.org/join. You can get more details from this website, paramashivoham.org. You can join with the same link using /join, paramashivoham.org/join. Today, our Gurukul Balasans are offering Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva on the eve of Kartikeya Brahmoswam, the day 7th of Nityananda Brahmoswam. We are offering this as a gratitude to our beloved Guru, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Let us all stay tuned and Watch this Uttamottama Seva and get the blessings of Paramashiva, His Divine Holiness, Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you, Nityanandam.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Chaturveda. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadarayam. Rigveda Hari Om Agnimile Purohitam Yajnasya Devam Ritrijam Hotaram Ratnadatamam Hari Om. Yajurveda Hari Om Isheto Jetva Vayavasto Payapasta Devo Vastavita Praptaya Dushteshtatamaya Karmane Hari Om. Samaveda Hari Om Agna Ayahi Pitaye Grihano Havyatataye Nihota Shakti Barhishi Hari Om. Yajurveda Hari Om Devi Rabhishtaya Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Shayo Rabhishravantu Naha Hari Om. The next offering at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Abhishek. Hari Shri Bhagavan Vachana Ati Kautuhala Vista Prityasya Tachunu Priye Yanme Netrantare Vasne Yadvandritamam Yadvarvam Katayami Yoga Yukyatunu Priye Yatsarupam Nijam Suddham Vyapakam Sarvatomukam Sarvabhutantaravastam Sarvabhutantaravastam Yogakam Yamdurashadam Dushtakamapratamavihi Jnanani Chadamchayate Tattvaha Prabhavantihi Savai Mahakriya Rupa
Hello.
Hitaika Kriyamata Anima Adiguna Evam Mamesa Jnanakya Kriyakya Shakti Ruchyate.
Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
At the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Stotra Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadaraya.
ओम नमो भगवते सदाशिवाय सकलतत्त्वात्मकाय सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वयन्त्राधिष्ठिताय सर्वतन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वतत्त्वविदुराय ब्रह्मरुद्रावतारिणे नीलकण्ठाय पार्वती मनोहराय सोमसूर्य अग्निलोचनाय भस्मोद्धूलितविग्रहाय महामणिमुकुटधारणाय माणिक्यभूषणाय सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकाय रौद्रावताराय दक्षाध्वरध्वंसकाय महाकालभेदनाय मूलाधारैकनिलयाय तत्त्वातीताय गंगाधराय सर्वदेवादिदेवाय सदाश्रयाय वेदान्तसाराय त्रिवर्गसाधनाय अनन्तकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकाय अनन्तवासिकितक्षककारकोटकशङ्खकुलिकपद्ममहापद्मेति अष्टमहानागकुलभूषणाय प्रणवस्वरूपाय चिदाकाशाय आकाशदिक्स्वरूपाय ग्रहनक्षत्रमालिने सकलाय कलङ्करहिताय सकललोकैककर्त्रे सकललोकैकभर्त्रे सकललोकैकसंहर्त्रे सकललोकैकगुरवे सकललोकैकसाक्षिणे सकलनिगमपुष्याय सकलवेदान्तपारगाय सकललोकैकवरप्रदाय सकललोकैकशङ्कराय शशाङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिजाभासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्मदाय निश्चिन्ताय निरहङ्काराय निरङ्कुशाय निष्कलङ्काय निर्गुणाय निष्कामाय निरुपप्लवाय निरपद्रवाय निरवध्याय निरन्तराय निष्कारणाय निरन्तकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निस्सङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निरागाय निष्क्रोधाय निष्पापाय निर्भयाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुलाय निःसंशयाय निरुपमविभवाय नित्यशुद्ध बुद्ध परिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परमशान्तस्वरूपाय तेजोरूपाय तेजोमयाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव कालभैरव कल्पान्तभैरव कपालमालाधर खट्वाङ्ग खड्गचर्म पाशाङ्कुशधनुः शूल चाप बाण गदा शक्ति बिन्दिपाल तोमर मुसल मुद्गर पाश परिग भुषण्डी शतक्ति चक्राध्यायुत भीषणकर सहस्रमुख दंष्ट्राकराल वदन विकटाट्टहास विस्फारित ब्रह्मांड मंडल नागेन्द्र कुंडल नागेन्द्र हार नागेन्द्र वलय नागेन्द्र चर्मधर मृत्युंजय त्र्यंबक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर वृषभवाहन विश्वभूषण विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वल ज्वल महामृत्युमपमृत्यु भयं नाशय नाशय चोर भयं उत्सादय उत्सादय विषसर्प भयं शमय शमय चोरान् मारय मारय मम शत्रून् उच्चाटय उच्चाटय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुटारेण भिन्डि भिन्डि खड्गेन छिन्दि छिन्दि खट्वाङ्गेन विपोतय विपोतय मुसलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणैः सन्तादय सन्तादय रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय भूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेताल ब्रह्म राक्षसगणान् सन्तातय सन्तातय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु वित्रस्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय नरकभयां माम् उद्धर उद्धर सञ्जीवय सञ्जीवय क्षुद्रुभ्यां माम् आप्यायय आप्यायय दुःखातुरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छादय आच्छादय मृत्युंजय त्र्यंबक सदाशिव परमशिव नमस्ते नमस्ते।
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
Offering at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Dravida Vedam. Deva Devottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Dravida Veda Priya Dravida Vedam Avatarayat Shivatra Chitrambalam மந்திரமாவது நீரு வானவர் மேலது நீரு சுந்தரமாவது நீரு துதிக்கப்படுவது நீரு தந்திரமாவது நீரு சமயத்தில் உள்ளது நீரு செந்துவர் வாயுமை பங்கன் திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு வேதத்தில் உள்ளது நீரு வெந்துய தீப்பது நீரு ஓதத்தகுவது நீரு உண்மையில் உள்ளது நீரு ஓதத்தகுவது நீரு உண்மை தவிர்ப்பது நீரு சீத புனல்வையில் சூண்ட திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ
of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Nritta Seva. Deva Devottama Devatastarvabhoma Akilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nritta Priya Nrittam Avadaraya.
चंद्रचूड़ शिव पार्वती
तुम्हारा तो बोलते अब तो लास्ट तक देखते
चूड़ शिव पार्वती आना की लगे सुंदर थर विराग गंगाधर गज चरमावर गंगाधर गज चरमावर चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमणानी
Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
of the Uttamotama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwari Paramashiva is the offering of the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana.
देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करण प्रिय परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करण अवतारय
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. I welcome all of you with my love and respect to this segment of the Uttamotama Seva, the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, where we manifest the extraordinary powers of Paramashiva. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Maniti Virajananda and I am the host for today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. So let's begin with a small introduction about the source of all, who is Paramashiva. Paramashiva is the primordial divinity in Hinduism, the ultimate reality and cause, which is self-effulgent, Swayam Prakasha, all-pervading, unchanging beyond time, space, form, and causality. Today, an incarnation of Paramashiva walks among us in the form of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, is reviving the ancient science of power manifestation from the Vedas, from the Vedagamas. So what are the Vedagamas? Vedagamas are the directly revealed truths by Paramashiva. They are the ultimate, eternal, unchangeable truths. A reference cited from the Shastras or source scriptures is called the Shastra Pramana, which we'll be looking into shortly. Today, you'll be witnessing one of the most beautiful power, which is the power of body scanning. So understand, our volunteer is going to experience the power of body scanning from the third eye, where the third eye is not only going to scan the root of the whole problem, the existential diseases, be it psychological or physical, it will scan the root of the whole problem and further it will help with healing it. Understand, the third eye is so powerful that the minute the third eye falls on the person, healing automatically starts happening. So now I request the volunteer to introduce yourself, ma. Nityananda, ma. I request you to please introduce yourself. Yes, I request you to unmute your mic.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, please introduce yourself, Ma.
Yeah, I'm Babita here. I live in Hyderabad, Telangana state. I just want you to scan my body.
Wonderful. So is this your first time?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So I welcome you to join us with this beautiful segment. Okay, now our beautiful Balasant over here. Would you like to introduce yourself, Ma?
Nityanandam.
Nityanandam.
I am 13 years old and I am a Balasant of the Nityananda Gurukul.
Okay. So Ma Brahmayoga is going to scan the root of your problem, not just scanning the day-to-day body problems that you're having, you're facing. She also scan the root of the problem, and also she'll be giving the solution for it. Okay, Ma?
Okay.
Yes. Now, before we start manifesting power, I will like to chant the Mahavakya. So Mahavakya is like a passcode which takes us to the high frequency level of consciousness and which directly connects to Swamiji, which is Mahavakya is nothing but Swamiji's physical form. So now I request all of you to chant along with me. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Yes. So the Shastra Pramana for this power of body scanning comes from the Vijnana Vairo Tantra. Swadehe jagato vapi sukshma sukshmatarani cha tattvani yani nilayam dhyatvante vyajyate para. So the Shastra Pramana is the scripture references, which is the unchangeable, time-tested and foolproof. Next is the Apta Pramana, where many great rishis, the authorities of Hinduism, their experiences, what did they say regarding this science? So, Siddhartha was one of the most ancient, revered Ayurvedic surgeon. He has written the Sushruta Samhita, which is the source manual for the surgery, and most of the compilation in the Sushruta Samhita, Lord Dhanvantari, who's the god of medicine, has downloaded into him, has been revealed into him, and is mainly known for the plastic surgery in the world. Yes. So now, yeah, Ma Brahmayoga is ready. So, Ma, you can. Yes.
Yes, so Parameshwar revealed to me that you have a difficulty in sleeping in the night. You know, sleep in the night. You sleep and you don't get sleep. And this which has actually that from your last birth. That you should get an Akashic reading. It doesn't have to specifically be about this. It can be any question, anything you want to know about your past births. The main reason why you should get an Akashic reading done is when Kalavirva goes into your past life and reads it, the karma will also automatically get healed. So you should get an Akashic reading done, and you'll see that this difficulty of you being not able to sleep in the night will also vanish.
Wonderful. So, Ma, I request you to relate whatever Ma Brahmayoga can and say. What you were revealed is absolutely correct.
Actually, I am not able to hear it very clearly.
Oh. So, Ma Brahmayoga, will you like to repeat yourself and a little louder?
So Parameshwar revealed to me that you have a difficulty in sleeping. At night, you're not able to sleep really fast, like you don't sleep normally. And this is actually related to has actually it has been carried on from your last birth. It's a karma from your last birth. So the solution Parameshwar revealed for this is you should get an Akashic reading done. The Akashic reading doesn't have to specifically be for this question and answer for this question. It can be for any question because the main reason is when Kalavirva goes into your past life and reads it, he'll automatically heal this also. Yes.
Okay.
I request Yuma to confirm whether Ma Brahmayoga's revelations are 100% correct.
No, but what are the other problems I'm facing? Like, can you just tell me apart from my sleep?
Yes. Okay. So Ma Brahmayoga will like to rescan again. So I request all of you to sit with your head taken spine in straight line with your hands folded to chant the Mahavakya intensely. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. So when I went on a tour, on a Malaysian tour, so at the time I just met a VIP who was in coma for nearly a month, and doctor said that he won't be like he's like in the next few days he's gonna leave his body. I think his family members were like, no, we want him to live. So immediately they came and approached me. They called me, and immediately I did the quick scan, and Swamiji is already there, and yes, the healing has started, and he'll be recovered in the next 7 days, and within 7 days, actually he came out of the state, and now he's like healed. Yes, Suma Brahmayoga.
आशीर्वाद से काका दे सकते हैं। हाँ बात अच्छा आपका लिस्ट है ना डेटे का है ना उसमें ऐड कर मालूम है ना लिस्ट ठीक है पास में
So actually Brahmayoga is still like she's continuing to scan, so we like to finish the scanning in a call with you after this, and since we're having a lack of time, So we like to end the session now. So we offer this at the lotus feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Samet, Sri Nityanandeshwari Paramashiva, and Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasanidhanam, His Divine Highness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you for joining us, and request you to rejoin us tomorrow 6 a.m. for this segment for the Uttamotama Seva. Thank you, Nityananda.
Ananda Paramashivo